Thanks a lot, whoever timed me up for the millionth time. Even though I'm a moderator, I think it was. It's you, Aspie. Don't do that. Aspie was. Soup's a jerk, and if it's Soup, why does he outrank me? That doesn't need to not go well. Yeah. Italian seasoning. I don't know. Maybe not. Probably some. Oh, wait a minute. It's gonna have tomato sauce in it. So yeah, definitely. I'm doing it for Mexican and Italian because I do that a lot because I don't care. Pepper? Badia, the cheap ass stuff. I think it's Mexican and it's always pretty good. I tend to buy that brand for like everything. And brothy broths. Yeah, brothy. I don't know what. This is my second video, and this is going to be repetition. I'm not going to do the other video, this one, because I was too whiny about Soup and the timeouts. I'm still whiny. Bitch. Yeah, that. Tahia with lime. I think lemon's limon, and is it also lime? I don't know. What? Fuck. Yeah. Sam shit. Garlic. Prego. What else? Yeah, again, can't go wrong with this stuff. Yeah, it's all processed crap. There's nothing ripe and fresh in here. This is hobo, man. Stuff you don't want to haul into the woods. Next video, I promise you, will have some healthy shit in it, but not this time. I wasn't gonna make a cooking video at all, and you'll have to excuse my arm. And I'm looking for something. Oh yeah, good. You know what I'm looking for. You know. You better know. Yep, a tube of salad. I hate Frank Zappa, but it's kind of funny. Oh, my zipper. Lucky I wear underwear, contrary to popular belief. So you can't see my wiener, and it's a fake wiener. Look at me, I got a wiener. I'm gonna check yeah, the underwear covered it. It's like, oh boy, there went that video, or, what the hell. Nobody watches my videos anyway to speak of. I'm pathetic. I am that. I'm pathetic. Also, I got my camera feed down by accident. I was farting around with it, so it's really icky. Whatever. Just the way it is, so you snobs out there can get all bitchy in it. Up in your later hosing as much as you want to. It's my plant party, and hey, what are you gonna do? Again, how many people actually watch my stuff? You guys, some of you do, you're great. However, you got some friends out here who should be watching my video and never mind. Oh, yeah, thanks to Soup. I'm in a bad mood, you son of a... wasn't such a good mood. Actually, I'm still in a good mood. But I'm feisty. Take over it. Get over it. Why are you in such a bad mood? I'm not. You'll know if I'm in a bad mood. Bad video mood. Yeah, that's me. So gacked on coffee right now, I can barely talk, but I like it. Going to get hungry eventually, but not now. But that's probably a good idea because those beans are going to take a long time. Yeah, they're nice and plumped up. And there's enough. Well, there's nothing gelatinous in there yet. There will be. I have surprises. You could probably guess by the word gelatinous what's going to be in there. So I tend to telegraph my lines. I like the word telegraph in that context. It's neat. Don't telegraph your shots there, boy. Don't telegraph that joke, that riddle. God, pisses me off that Cobra doesn't know a riddle from a joke, but then again, most people don't. That's a good joke. It's a riddle. It's a riddle. Riddle has the, that question mark thing at the end. Well, if it's a question and there's no pause, or there is a pause, it's a riddle. Like the kind that, come on, Laffy Taffy. God, I'm going to order myself some Laffy Taffy. Yeah, it sure sticks with my teeth and it's terrible. However, it tastes like soap. But I like the riddles. I love the fucking riddles. I think you could still save points. I don't know. I don't know if you still can on Bazooka Bubble Gum, which actually I kind of want some of that too. I must be hungry. I can't afford all. Saving all my money for artsy fartsy and food stuff. That's it. That's my thing. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna do what everybody else does and ignore me for the rest of the night. Yeah, I feel sorry for myself and mope. Probably not. I'll just do something or another. Finish those stupid beans. I don't know if I'm going to make another video about this batch. I don't see the reason because I'll show the end product, but if even that, I don't know, I'm losing steam.